I never intended to blow this place up. I never intended to, but if he's actually gone, I don't understand what's stopping me. What's stopping me? It's all ready to go, Parrot. Do you at least want to watch?
Spoke, you can't do this. You can't.
Parrot, I swear to God.
If you do this, there's going to be hundreds of people in the same exact...
You don't understand. If I were to kill your closest friend, someone you cared about more than anyone else on the server, if that person was left dead, banned, maybe you'd understand how I felt right now.